Hi everybody, it's me, Jara B. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As the title states, this is a bag reveal featuring this Fossil Carly mini leather satchel bag right here. This is in the color black. It has gold tone hardware. You have a drop handle here that is about almost 4 inches. These straps, you are able to remove the straps. Then you have a hook here for your shoulder strap that is included with the bag. And then here's the other one. So they're diagonal. The shoulder strap hooks are diagonal from one another. Then you have a gold zipper pull. And then the bottom looks like this. There's no feet. Right now on the Fossil website, you can pick up this black one for about $145 or so. It also comes in brown, which is about $195. And they now have the color garnet available for about $195, $179, somewhere around there. The black is always a little cheaper than the brown and the garnet. I don't know why. Maybe it's just a less desirable color. I don't know. But I chose the black because I don't have a lot of black bags in my collection. So the bag only has one zipper and it goes all the way down. And it opens like so. I purchased this bag instead of the really trendy Coach Rowan bag that everyone is showcasing. And the reason so is I had one of the older style Coach Rowan bags and I didn't like the opening. The opening was a little too small for me. So I chose this instead. So the inside of this bag kind of looks like this. It's black interior, so it's going to be hard to see the inside of it. But there is like a one slip pocket here on the back side of the bag, and then, or the front, however you want to put it. And then there's a zipper inside too. It's going to be very difficult to see because of the color. And then here is the shoulder strap that comes with it. And the shoulder strap at its longest setting is about 24 inches, okay? So I will be doing a what's in my bag on this cute little satchel here from Fossil. So stay tuned for that. So now that I've shown you guys that, I want to continue on with a couple of accessories, handbag accessories, and a little, a few little things here and there, okay? So this is a Fossil wallet, the Caroline RFID wallet that I purchased pre-loved off of eBay. So it's leather. You have a tan braided detail here on the front. There's also a slip pocket here up front. And then the back has this like braided leather zipper pull that opens up a back pocket here. And then it has the word Fossil embossed here. So that's what it looks like. And it has a snap opening. Oh, let me see. Okay, yeah. A snap to open it. And you have 6 card slots, 3 slots on each side. And then you have a bill compartment here and then another bill compartment here. So that's the wallet that I purchased. Okay, so moving forward, the second item I want to share with you is a small square cosmetic pouch from Le Sport Sac featuring the Peanuts. So we have Charlie Brown and Snoopy on here in the color green, and you just open it like this. I do have it stuffed. And then this is what the interior looks like. It is so cute. You have Charlie Brown and Snoopy here, and that is it. I thought there was a little pocket, a slip pocket on the inside, but it's not. I just think it's so cute. I saw this little cosmetic pouch on Hello Natalie's channel. If you haven't looked at her channel before, check her out. Hello Natalie. I'll try to tag her, but she does a lot of videos on nylon and smaller size handbags. So when she pulled this out of one of her bags or showed it somewhere, I was like, I gotta have one of those little small cosmetic pouches because it's just the perfect size. So there's that. I might put it with this fossil bag. I don't know. We'll see. Right. So let me show you next a couple of items that I purchased from Temu. But oh, there's one other item, you guys, that I ordered from Fossil that is a accessory, and that would be this belt. And let me take it out of here because if you're not aware, I have lost a lot of weight, like over 30 pounds. And so my clothes that I cannot afford to replace are baggy and saggy on me, and my belts and everything are too big. It has a gold buckle and some gold studs. I spent $56 on this belt, you guys. More than what I normally like to spend for a belt, but it is what it is. I did it. So there's that. Okay, so let me see what's next. I think I only have one item from Amazon, and that is another belt. But this belt has a silver buckle. I don't have a black belt with the silver buckle. And I think I paid like $12 to $15, definitely under $20 for this leather belt from Amazon. So yeah, you guys, because all of my pants are starting to sag on me and like almost fall off. So like I said, I can't afford to buy an entire wardrobe, so I just have to belt my pants and stuff up. Okay, next I just have one item I want to share with you that I bought from Macari, and this is a eyeglass case from Juicy Couture. It's used. I don't even remember how much I purchased this for, but I just thought it was so cute. I like the glasses, and they look kind of similar to the glasses that I'm wearing right now. It has some bling on each corner of the eyeglass case. This silvery part has a few little scratches on it, but I still like it. And then the interior of it is so cute. It's this hot pink color, kind of like a fuchsia color on the inside. So I just thought that that was so cute. I really like this, guys. So Macari. Then I want to show you a couple of items that I purchased from Temu. The first thing is this eyeglass case right here. It's a double eyeglass case made out of neoprene fabric, and you can put one pair of glasses here, and then you can put another pair of glasses right here, or cleansing wipes or glass or eyeglass wipes, whatever you want to put right there. So that's that. And then I purchased this little safety tool right here. And yeah, for keychain, protection, whatever. So I got that. Then from Temu. Did I say this came from Temu? If I did, that is incorrect. I purchased this from Amazon. Okay, Temu. I purchased this double eyeglass case right here. It is pebbled leather and it's a lovely like beige taupey color here. And I don't think I'm gonna use this as an eyeglass case. I'm not sure. It's more like a larger size wristlet to me, in my opinion. So it has silver hardware, and then there's a pocket here on the outside, and then you have a section here where you can put a pair of glasses in here, and then you can put another pair of glasses here. Okay, so you have two sections, and you have a wristlet strap that is removable, and I do like that feature. Here's the bottom of it, and then you can attach this to a belt or whatever you want to attach it to. I don't know why a person would want their eyeglass case to have these little loops on it like that, but it's there. So there's that. And then a couple of my two favorite pieces from this particular Temu order. This is a large coin case right here in like a grayish beige color here. So you open up the kiss lock like that. And then you have, it's like a triple compartment. You have, what is that? I don't know what that is. The interior has a gray background with white polka dots. And then the back of it is the same. So there's these two sections here. And then there's another smaller kiss lock section here. And you open it like that. And I figure I can use this as a wallet in some of my smaller size bags. Excuse me. Because I am trying to carry smaller bags. Because my life is not really all of that busy where I have to carry a lot of stuff with me when I do go out. So there's that. And then here's another one in this beautiful like garnet burgundy type color right here. So this is also a kiss lock, and you open it, and it has the same lining as the previous kiss lock I just showed. So there's that. And I'm gonna use it the same way, probably as a wallet in one of my smaller bags. And then the last thing that I wanted to share with you guys in this video, no, there's two more things, I'm sorry. Temu, a keychain wristlet that you see here. I just thought it was pretty. I like the colors, the pink and the black with the gold hardware. That. And then for the first time ever, I purchased some earrings from Temu, and these little like jade stuff. I don't think they're real. I don't know if they're real jade or not. My guess is it's not. But these little droop ball earrings that you see here. So it's like, I think it's supposed to be like 14 karat gold plated, I think. So there's that. A second pair of earrings look like this. These jade gemstones in like a small hoop. And you guys, I think that is it for this video. Thank you everybody for your support. I highly appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.